Hi, I'm going to show you guys how to put together the 8x8 or 10x10 side post patio umbrella. So we've got the box open. We're going to start by just taking everything out of the packaging, all the base pieces and everything out of the packaging. Alright, so we've got all the pieces out of the box. We're going to start by building the base. So we're going to grab the two cross arm pieces. We're going to lay them over each other. Now that we have them over each other like this, we're going to grab the swivel base. And we're going to line that up with the 4 holes. There are 2 side screws. There's a longer screw and a shorter screw. We're going to use the longer screw to attach the swivel base to the X base. So there's 4 screws. I'm going to go ahead and put all 4 screws in and tighten them up. So the swivel base is now attached to the X base. The next step is to put the support tube onto the cross-rotating base. So we're going to use the shorter screws. There's 4 screws to attach the support tube to the cross-rotating base. Alright, now that we've got the support tube onto the swivel base, we're going to grab the base cap, which is this piece right here, and slide it over the support tube, just to kind of dress up and cover up those screws that are attaching the support tube to the cross-rotating base. The next step is to grab the sleeve insert and the sleeve insert clip. These are going to go right against this hole on the support tube. So we're going to put the hole that's on the clip to the outside, and then the sleeve insert goes in like so. And what this enables us to do is once we have the umbrella frame inside, it'll allow us to turn the knob and suck everything tight into the support tube. So the next step is to put the whole umbrella frame, which is already assembled, into the support tube. So there's one little thing that'll make your life a little bit easier. We have the cap that goes on the top of the frame. It's a little bit easier to put that cap on before you have the frame in the upright position. That way you're not on a ladder trying to put the cap on top of a 9-foot piece. So if you put this on the top of the frame, then we're ready to install the frame into the support tube. So if you look at the bottom of the frame, you can kind of see that it's shaped similarly to the shape of the sleeve insert that we just put in. We're just going to give it a lift up. Drop it right in place. And then tighten up that knob. Then we can remove all the packaging from the umbrella frame. If your umbrella has lights in it, the last thing to do is to plug the power cord in and then also install the light bulb and light globe. So we're going to grab the transformer piece here, plugs into a regular 110 outlet. The plug here just plugs into the female end, the female plug on the post. Then as far as the light bulb and light globe, the light bulb is an 1157 tail light bulb, which is handy to know if you ever need to replace it. That's just going to fit right in the receptacle here. And then the light globe, which is the large plastic piece, is just going to screw in right over the top of that. The only thing left to do is to install the canopy. I'll put a link to that on the bottom of your screen there. I'll also include a link to it in the details section of this video. Thanks.